Hey, what's up? It's an awesome day today. Something really great's happening. Something wonderful. About to go pick something up from the store. It's got two wheels. It's got a motor. And you get to ride on it. It's going to bring me a lot of joy and happiness. I'm very excited. So we're going to head that way. And we're going to pick this thing up. You're going to see what it is. And it's going to be glorious. I can't wait.
Guillotine, drink for melazine.
Pull this thing around and get it loaded up. So excited! I have a feeling this is what women feel like on their wedding day. The excitement is palpable. Where's this thing at? There she is, Beta 300. It's a cross trainer. Been wanting one of these cross trainer bikes for a long time. I want to stop riding fast. Actually, I don't ride that fast anyway. I just want to learn how to ride better, and I feel like this is going to help me do that. As they say in Italian, I don't know if what they say in Italian. Thanks for sharing this moment with me. I didn't want to be by myself. Kid couldn't care less that I got a motorcycle.
Whatever. Am I getting a motorcycle?
No. Holy cow, my God. So much traffic. Anyway, super excited. Can't wait to unload this thing and sleep with it. I'm going to put it in the bed and I'm going to sleep with it. These Italians, they know what they're doing. It's red. It's beautiful red for now. Pretty soon it's going to be scuffy. It's going to be scuffed up because I'm a terrible rider. That's what I bought it for. To bash it against rocks. What are you going to do? You only live once, right? And I know bellissimo. I am super stoked! Super stoked! Woo! Ric Flair, baby. I'm so happy. Probably gonna drop it unloading it because I owe God like at least 50 favors. I've gone back on every promise, most of them. So easy to forget. I'm blessed to have been able to buy a new motorcycle. I've never bought a new motorcycle. Very excited. Blessed. I'm very thankful for what I've got. I'm thankful for my awesome wife for allowing me to do this. I know she probably hates it. She loves me enough to see past whatever blistering rage she might have boiling inside of her over this purchase. Let's go and load this thing and ride it around. No videos on there yet. I'm gonna break it in first.
When the moon
Thanks for
hits
watching.
your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world